Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, we're going to be discussing about how to fix your YouTube monetization problem. So let's just get straight into the video. So there are a couple of common monetization problems and their solutions we're going to be discussing now. So let's just do it. So the first is going to be reuse content. If rejected, remove the videos that feature content from others without significant original commentary or edits. Reapply after 30 days with a new original content. The second is going to be community guidelines and copyright strikes. So resolve active strikes. Deleting the video does not remove the strike or fix the monetization issue. There's also AdSense linking issues, so ensure you have an active approved AdSense account linked. If you have a duplicate account, you must close the others. Also verify your physical address using the PIN mailed to you to resume payments. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.